Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that can arise in networking setups. Imagine you're using Wireguard, and you want to create a tunnel that allows traffic in only one direction. For instance, you have PCs A, B, and C, where it can reach B and C, we can reach C, but not the other way around. This might sound tricky, but don't worry, we got a solution for you. Now, let's delve into the solution to our problem. By using iptables-nftables with a contract subsystem in Linux, we can achieve the desired one-way traffic control. The key here is to focus on stateful filtering, specifically leveraging contract to keep track of active flows. In the provided code snippet, we set up rules in the forward chain to allow traffic in the specified directions, taking into account the established state to ensure only the required connections are permitted. This approach ensures that traffic flows seamlessly while maintaining the desired restrictions. In summary, we've explored a clever solution using iptables-nftables with contract to control the flow of traffic in a one-way manner within a network setup. By understanding the principles of stateful filtering and utilizing the contract subsystem, we can achieve our desired network configuration effectively. I hope you found this information helpful, and, as always, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time,